Ooh, I gotta pee. Do I have enough time though? Yeah, I have enough time. Let me pee. Oh man, I really have to pee. Oh, let me get my pee out. Let's get to business. Oh man, one shake, two shakes, three shakes. Oh no, just playing with myself. Let me stop. All right. Now let me flush the toilet. Alright, now go pee so we can see what happens. Oh, okay. Alright, let's try this one more time. Take my pee out and then get down to business. Oh man, that was good. Alright, let me flush the Alright, let me try this again. Come on, God, please let me pee and not peas or peas. Oh man, that was good. Doctor, come here right now. Did you do it? Did the big boy go pee in the potty? Yes, big boy went pee in the potty, but it's a whole lot of pee going on in the toilet. Come here. Okay. No, they're JPEGs, never mind. Look, I shouldn't be peeing peas or even have peas being peas. Look, I just want to pee out of my pee. Yeah, you should be peeing pee out of your pee. You shouldn't be peeing peas, or peas peeing peas. Just pee. Or urine so it doesn't get confusing. Well, can you fix it? Yeah, I got something for this. Come on. Okay. All right. No more screwing around. No more peeing vegetables. No more peeing lettuce. And no more peeing lettuce, peeing vegetables. This pill is going to make you pee urine. And there's nothing funny about urine. I'm not going to take that pill. It's the same pill I've been taking. I know, but it's like the fourth one. So eventually one of these pills is going to reverse everything that's been happening to you. You can't reverse something by doing the same thing that caused it. Oh yeah? What about a light switch, huh? You flip it to turn it on, and you flip it to turn it off. You do the same thing both times. All right? And what about a TV remote, huh? You push the power button to turn it on, and you push the same power button to turn it off. I bet you didn't think about that, dumbass. Take your pill, stupid. There you go. All right, now go piss. Oh, okay.